My little Emery Bear's awake. Hi, Emery. See, can you tell Mama hello? Joe has the little IV in his neck. Yeah. Joe has the chest tube in. Right here. Oh, trying to get your finger? Are you trying to get your hand? That morphine's not working too strong on you. If you can get your fingers, huh? Yeah. Handsome boy. Mhm.